Check out the all-new MG ZS EV, bringing you the future of electric driving. Let's dive into what makes it a fantastic car. First up, look at this sleek design, turning heads and turning the tide on electric vehicles. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Inside, it's a tech playground. MGI Smart means you can charge smart and control everything with your voice or from your phone. No hassle, just futuristic convenience. Driving this thing is a breeze, whether you're navigating the city or hitting the open road. Choose between two trim levels, SE and Trophy, which are available on both the standard and long-range models. Ready to take the wheel of the future? Swing by SERE Motors MG Belfast and experience the MG ZS EV yourself.